Welcome to this Administrative Assistant presentation focused on top technical programs. We will cover topics such as Google products such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Chrome, Microsoft products such as Outlook, Publisher, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote, Skype, video programs such as QuickTime and Windows Media Player, QuickBooks, and Android operating systems and iPhones. We'll cover an overview of just some of the programs you could use as Administrative Assistant. New programs and approaches, as you know, are developed constantly, and it is often a challenge to keep up. Looking at Google products. Many free and useful services are available from Google. This includes Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and Chrome. To get access to these services, you need to create a Google account from google.com. For Gmail, this is Google's email service. You can use Gmail to send and receive messages on any computer that has internet access. Google Calendar is a scheduling tool that can link to Gmail to invite people to meetings and to keep track of appointments. Google Drive provides access to online word processing, spreadsheets, and other useful tools. Chrome is a Google browser that you can use instead of a browser such as Internet Explorer. You can use these products on a PC or an Apple computer. Text, voice, and video calls are other options that Google provides through Gmail Chat. Type text messages with another Gmail using instant messaging through Gmail. You can make voice and video calls using a microphone and a webcam attached to a computer and download and install the voice and video plug. Access this from the Chat tab via Gmail. In this presentation, we are just providing a simple overview of some of the products that you can get from Google. For more detailed instructions, you can visit google.com. Microsoft products. Microsoft offers many products useful to the administrative assistant. Here is an overview of some of the major Microsoft products that you may be using. Outlook is an email scheduling program. You can use Outlook to send and receive messages, plus to store messages in folders and then to print them. Outlook links to a calendar for scheduling purposes. Publisher. This lets you use more complex formatting for your documents. Word is a word processing software that lets you create documents, edit and format documents, and print them. Word includes a spelling checker, a grammar checker, and mail merge. It also provides templates for documents such as calendars, invoices, letters, resumes, status reports, and timesheets. Excel is a spreadsheet program that can help you with accounting, budgets, and other tasks. You can arrange data in a way that presents the information effectively, plus add formulas such as counting up all the numbers in a column or a row or taking the average. You can also save and print spreadsheets from Excel. PowerPoint helps you create slideshows and multimedia presentations. You often see shows and presentations at meetings, webinars, and training sessions. Templates are available from PowerPoint to help you create a consistent and effective look to your end product. PowerPoint can handle text, graphics, and videos as part of the presentation. OneNote is a note-taking tool. Using OneNote, you can take notes at a meeting and using the search feature in the future to find those same notes again. It lets you gather text, pictures, audio, video, handwriting, and websites in one place. Let's remember that we are now looking at just a quick glimpse of these products. As you proceed with your career, you will likely use these products on a daily basis and get to know at least some of them very well depending on your business and organization needs. Skype. This application provides you with video chat and voice call services. It also lets you exchange documents, images, and text, transmit both text and video messages, and create video conference calls. You can use it on a PC or Apple computer, as well as Android and Apple smartphones and tablets. Much of the service is free, but for a fee you can also call a landline or mobile phone. Skype to Skype calls are also free. You communicate over the internet by using your voice over a microphone or video using a webcam. This again is an overview of what you can do with Skype. Video programs. Let's look now at the QuickTime and the Window Media Player programs. These are tools that you could find of use in your work as administrative assistant. QuickTime is a tool that lets you handle digital video, picture, sound, and images. It is available for OS X for Apple and Windows operating system. QuickTime for Microsoft Windows is downloadable as a standalone application. It is free of charge for both operating systems. QuickTime limits you to basic operations unless you purchase QuickTime Pro from Apple. QuickTime Pro lets you perform additional functions such as editing clips and merging audio and video tracks, saving movies from the web to a hard drive disk, and saving such as a QuickTime movie. Windows Media Player, WMP, is an application developed by Microsoft as a media player and media library. You use it for playing audio, video, and viewing images on a computer with Windows or Windows-based mobile device. WMP also lets you copy music to a CD, burn an audio CD or a data disk in MP3 CD format, or purchase or rent music from an online music store. QuickBooks. This accounting software package comes from the Intuit company. If you work in a small or medium-sized business, you might use this program. It can accept business payments, manage and pay bills, and help you with payroll functions. There are basic and pro versions of the project as well as industry-specific versions with processes and repost design for each business type. This includes contractors, manufacturing, nonprofits, professional accounting firms, professional service firms, and retailers. Once again, this is just a quick look on the QuickBooks software. Depending on your role as administrative assistant, you may or may not be using QuickBooks in your role and function. If you are, make sure to pay special attention to how things are processed, how things are logged, to make sure that you are recording things exactly how the business is looking for them to be done. Android and iPhone operating systems. Let's now quickly look at Android and iPhone operating systems. Being aware of these terms can help you as you progress throughout your career as an administrative assistant. Android is a mobile operating system created by Google. You use it on smartphones and tablets. There are versions of Android operating systems depending on the device, and most versions include email and calendars that let the administrative assistant have mobile access to Office tools. iPhone operating systems let you use the iPhone that could be a great tool to complete tasks, like answering the phone, checking email, or having access to the internet. In summary, we covered just some of the applications that you could be working with throughout your career as an administrative assistant or an executive assistant. This included Google products such as Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. Microsoft products such as Outlook, Publisher, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. Skype. Video programs such as QuickTime and Windows Media Player. QuickBooks. And Android operating systems and iPhones. Thank you once again, and good luck to you in your career as an administrative assistant.